My name is Felipe Valencia and I'm a state champion in the shot put.
He's a great motivator, always there for you as a teammate and as a friend.
He's very determined on his goals that he set during the season. And as a student, he's a top 50 student right now. His grade point average, I think, is a 3.7, which really makes him a special asset to this program.
My preparation was just try to throw far in my practices. If I would throw far in practice, that made me more confident in state. I feel good, I feel relaxed. And I happened to pop a good one, and that was a winning throw, I guess. And I pulled it off, and I'm the state champion now. So I threw a 60 feet and 5 inches. Second place was 59 and 9 inches. I was just praying that he wouldn't pass that 60 marker. I mean, I was just happy once I saw him that he didn't throw over 60. After I finished the throwing part, they lead us to the ceremony. It's like in the top of like, you can see the whole stadium there. Coach Duque just stopped for a minute and he told me, just stop, look around. And I looked at the whole stadium and it just hit me right there. Like, there's a lot of people, my parents are there, so it was just an emotional part that just hit me. And being #1 in Texas, I mean, that's good. I mean, it shows that anybody can do it.
I feel very proud about him. As being my first year as a head coach, I didn't expect this. It's a blessing to have him. It's a great honor to actually coach him. And I'm hoping that I continue to be the head coach, and hopefully we'll be over there again next year.
In the beginning, I was kind of doubting myself a little bit because of my height. I'm 5'6", 5'7", and my competitions are on 6'6", 6'5". So just don't doubt yourself. Never give up, even any circumstances. I mean, just work hard and anything's possible. Thank you for my parents for always being there, and my sister too, Irasema. And just thank you everybody who supported me this season, and I'm gonna try to get that back-to-back state champs. So thank you everybody.